Okay. Just realized that I look very dark right now. Where my glasses at? Guys, it's been a minute. Let me sort out this camera. Filters. Is this making it any better? Oh, there we go. That's a bit better. Yeah? That's better. That's better. I don't look like I'm sitting in all eternal darkness. Okie dokie. Oh, it has been a minute. I'm back. What's it? Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me. I am back. How is everybody? Hi guys. I have missed you guys. I know I'm at like, it's such a weird time. I'm trying to figure out life. It looks like I might have to change my trading times, which is a bit of a bummer, but it's okay. Some guy, hi. Yeah, I might have to change my trading times to more like Asia session and maybe New York PM session. Eddie. Oh, you guys, I've missed you too. You have no idea. I've just been sweet and simply. Okay, I feel like you guys deserve an explanation. Sweet and simply. So I came back down to Joburg and I got offered a job, a part-time job in the afternoon, which is awesome. But obviously that means New York session. I won't be here for New York Open session, which sucks. I miss the music. I take it back. Maybe I'm leaving. Maybe I didn't miss the bullying. Absolute bullies everywhere. Oh my gosh. Some guy, I love you too. So anyways, I do have a part-time job to keep the capital going, obviously. But then in the mornings now I'm riding also some other people's horses, which is where it gets a little bit chaotic. But then I thought, you know what? Asia session or New York PM session actually does work. And this right now also works quite well. Which is why I'll do a little fit check. That's the thing, right? That's the thing people do. I don't think I'm cool enough to do that, but I'll show you guys. I'm like in my riding clothes, ready to go for later. I'm excited. But enough about me. Let's have a look. Did I miss anything amazing? I feel like I've missed a lot that's amazing. But anyways, did I miss anything like extra amazing? Oh, thanks, Eddie. You're amazing. Shout out to Eddie. Eddie, you're awesome. So I won't be sleeping now. Asian session. Literally. But let's actually have a look at the Asia session, not Asian session. It's just kept on going. No, so that was yesterday. Where are we? Okay, Thursday. I'm used to there being more. Obviously, I'm here earlier in the morning. I was like, where is this? I mean, not terrible moves for Asia. What have we got here? Here, a little bit of a spike before going down. Ooh, this was quite nice. And obviously you have to be a little bit zoomed in, but to be fair, I've traded Asia session once before and I had two flipping bangers, so I can't actually complain about Asia. Then again, I've only done it once before, so maybe it was just a, I don't like saying lucky, but maybe it was just a lucky day. Anyway. What's up, Jose? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Guess who's back? Back again. Maya's back. Tell a friend. Okie dokie. So, sorry. I'll be normal. Let's mark out some key points because I have obviously missed so much. I've basically been MIA for 2 weeks, which is disgusting stuff. let's just be real. That's disgusting work right there. But there's Asia high, here's Asia low for now. Obviously, we are still in the midst of the Asia session. Do you know what I do not have, which is bad? I don't have a coffee. Guys, that is... How do I not have a coffee right now? I would say you can come join me. Okay, if I tilt the camera a little bit, you'll be able to watch me in the kitchen. That's weird. Maybe don't watch me in the kitchen. Okie dokie. Yeah, guys, I decided I'm also just gonna keep the one stream on for now. You guys know normally I do the two. I'm just doing the one for now. I mean, touch wood, the Wi-Fi is being quite good, but it does sometimes have moments. It is supposed to be fiber. Doesn't stop it having moments though. Yeah, here's New York low, right over here. Okay. Hopefully now I have established a little bit more of a routine and we can slowly start getting there, one step at a time. London high. Also, I have so much more energy than I used to have, so good luck. You created a monster, there's no demons. Stuff. Now I kind of want to be like, what, is it legs weak, arms are heavy, this vomit on my sweater already, mom spaghetti. Anyways, yo, what's up, children? I'm good. Wait. People want to say hi, they've missed you. Oh, he just burped on me. They missed you, say hi. Hello. Hello, here's a Perry. Hello. The main man is here. Hey, the main man is here. Good boy. Yo, I know I look like I'm talking to myself again, don't I? The balls, man. You're such a good boy. Okay, well, we're getting all the licks. We're getting all the licks. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what I did to deserve this, but this is awesome. I'm getting all the okay, fine. Anyways, moving on. Let's see. So we've marked out London high. Let's focus. Can you tell the ADHD is strong today? Okay. Let's just stay within this vicinity right now, especially because it's Asia and London. I can't imagine it moving too much more. I'm also just going to mark out this level here. This is quite a good level. I need to focus up. What am I doing? Yes. It's okay. The guys are laughing and he's not happy about that. Barry, you're fine. Okay, I do want to put up my levels. Periwinkle. Woof. No, you're big woof. What he's doing right now. All the woofs. 3.
That's what she said.
So they re-added The Office onto Netflix, so I'm watching it. I know apparently it's not like the best one to watch. Apparently the British one is better. There was some debate about that. Apparently the British. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. I can say that my English is depleted, even though you know it's not really. Periwinkle, you're okay. No, stop it. To... No, I'm big chop. Yeah, I was like, wait. Oh, I also have the complete wrong day. That would do it. That would do it. Let me also just quickly change this. Don't extend, right? Okay, and... Oh, can you tell I was messing around the other day, so I've messed up all my settings. It's fine. I will adjust them back to what they were. There we go. There we go. Oh, wait, come back. Don't extend, right. Okay. So there's that one there. Done and done. There's my VP levels. Gonna keep an eye on them here because, well, because I'm curious. So there's yesterday's VP level, now today. I am doing a little bit of playing around, so you guys might see me pop back onto paper. I mean, let's just be real, especially the fact, actually it can go all the way, especially the fact that, well, haven't been here for a minute and a half. Let's maybe not destroy everything. What's up, old Lim? How are we doing? How's everybody doing? How has everyone's trading been? I feel like that's enough about me. How's... Harry just came in with a toy. He's like, we play now. Anyways, how has everyone been doing? How's it all going? I know this is a very weird time for me. Let's figure this out. Let's figure out how Asia session moves. I'm quite curious. Should we pop onto paper? Should we just say screw it and go for it? Maybe we just say screw it and go for it. I mean, why not, right? Quite a nice reaction. Doing that. Down onto here. Okay. Obviously, I'm trying not to be like too overwhelming with a lot of things, so one thing at a time. Hey, old Lem. Yeah, I'm trying to... How do I put this? Increase the information without overwhelming. Does that make sense? That kind of makes sense, right? So I'm trying to increase the information going in so that I can be like, okay, did you hear the horse? Did you hear the horse? Please say you heard that. Anyways, so that's basically what I'm doing. I'm seeing if I can add some more information so that it doesn't feel... Okay. So that it doesn't feel like I'm guessing. So sometimes it felt like I was just guessing, and I hate that feeling because that's not trading, right? That's gambling. In nearly 2 weeks, I've no clue what price bidding is. Oh! You opened the charts in 2 weeks. I know why I haven't. Why haven't you? Has life also just been busy? How's work and everything going? I wonder how Ash is doing. I think he's still asleep, to be fair. This is like, yeah, this is a bit of a weird one for him. Weird time-wise, but that's okay. Should I get a coffee? I've already had one this morning. Do we need to? We might need to. With daily... Daily profile. Chill dude, which is the daily profile one. I mean, I'm using the volume profile. What's the difference? If that makes sense. Ooh, let's see what this does here. Big rejection off of VWAP over there. Going up. And 2 weeks back to back. So I had long 2 turns and traded overnight and played out perfectly. Then the following week I had 2 shorts that did the same. What? So then were you like, okay, let me just take a step back. That's perfect. That's enough. That is awesome though. Right into there. I'm wanting to see how it reacts here. messed around solidly. Sorry, we're gonna be playing around a little bit today. Figuring ourselves out a little bit. You know, this is when I wish. Oh, some guy. I might come to the dark side, as some people say. I might have to start trading some biddy, because I was like, oh, I wish I could trade on the weekends, because you know, the weekdays now are just getting so hectic. And then I was like, I can technically trade on the weekends. Let's see. And I played out, but because I didn't wake up. Oh, that sucks. I thought you quit trading. I was like, you came so far. No. I am no quitter. I'm just having to figure out the new routine right now, which is hectic. Yeah, apparently people missed me here. So they were like, no, we need you to come and do this and this and this and this and this. And I'm like, okay. I'll try. Okay, let me take this on the paper. Nope. Nope. Oh my goodness. I'm about to do something super duper silly. Let's do this again. Okay. I'm being a chopstick. Give me a second. Why don't you let me change the paper? There we go. Let's do this. Let's do one on paper and then go from there. So that would be a buy. TP at the top here. Stop loss down below. Obviously the buy would have been lower down at the 0.5 level. I was just messing around, but let's see how it reacts. Obviously now I need to kind of figure out how Asia session works, but let's see. Obviously this is now closer to a 1-to-1, but that doesn't matter. It's fine. Okay, we'll stop that. Aw, thanks, some guy. You're amazing. Thank you for hopping on. You are so cool. Volatility is normal over weekends because volume drops, but different. Yeah, guys, I'm back with the ponies. That sounds like I have a gambling problem. Real life horses that I ride, not race horses. Just saying. Even though even though my horse is an ex-race horse, but still, he wasn't a very good one. Okay. Okay, I'm trying not to mess around too much and freak the Wi-Fi out. I actually sports bet and day trade. Ooh, wait, okay, what sport though? Old lamb, maybe like what sport do you sport bet? Sorry. A whiff. Hey, look at it go. Let's see what this does. If this works out, Asia might become my new favorite session. I was looking at this one. Let me have a quick look here. I was looking at this, seeing how it... Ooh, that would have been close. Oh, nope. Instantly not. Never mind. Okie dokie. Oh, good thing I wasn't like, just hop in on this. Barry, it's okay, bud. MLB and NFL. That's rugby. Correct me if I'm wrong. What's that? NFL. That sounds familiar. Soccer, football, whatever. You see, I don't know that much about it. Mr. Big, what's up? How are you? Welcome back, guys. Are we ready?
Okay, let's go.
Whoopsie daisies, I opened the wrong thing there. My bad. Might be. Baseball and American football. Ah. Can you tell that went swoosh right over my head? Not a clue. No, I didn't even tap into that one. Thought maybe it tapped into there. Went a little bit higher. Tapped into the point of control. And then dropped down. Oh! Would have just missed this entry for a shorty short on this range. Ah, that would have sucked. Control back down. Nice. Asia, that's definitely not Asia high. Maya, that is Asia low. Periwinkle! No. Stop it. Okay. Let's have a look at this one now. Anyways, I did ask, I know some guy answered, how's everyone else's trading been going? Ooh, but now it's kind of out of this range a little bit. Well, screw it, let's see. Let's do a little sell limit over here. Let's see, TP down below, stop loss up above. I'm just trying to give myself more information here. This... it's actually really not a bad trade. I'm considering... it's not a bad trade. How big is this range, actually? 46 points. Look at that, that's $50. I'm like, maybe I should actually take this on my funded. Is that being a little bit too optimistic? Maybe it's a bit too optimistic. Why Trump is speaking tomorrow, I believe, is state of the union. Thanks, old man. Periwinkle. What's up with it? I'm losing money and like some people on Discord, so I took a break. Oh. Huh, okay. But that's okay. You know, sometimes... what is happening? Oh my gosh. This is the paper account. It is the paper account. Okay, I'm gonna have to get used to Asia. Maybe it's a good thing I'm like, okay, let's do paper trade. Let's not be dumb. Holy moly, what the heck is going on? Oh wait, maybe it's because of Trump talking tomorrow, right? What's up, Debbie? How are you? And boom. It's boom banana. Wow. Okay, wait. This is pretty volatile for Asia, isn't it? I mean, these are like flipping 80-point candles. What? Is it because of the Trump thing? Probably because of the Trump thing here. I want to say it's because of the Trump thing. Let me quickly see. I just have to set an alarm. Or... no. Barry, you're okay. He doesn't believe he's okay. He's like, no. They're lying. What am I doing? There we go. Wait, Boom, have you been streaming? And how's it going? What is happening? Okay, like, okay. Who normally trades Asia session? Is this normal? I want to say it's not normal. Just putting it out there and saying, I don't think this is normal. Is that just me? I feel like that, maybe it's just me, but that's fine. So that was a hard nope. So they would have missed entry literally by a damn tick. Wait, if I draw it properly, a little bit more than a tick. Went straight down, went back up into the 50% of this range. Let's see how it reacts here now. Ooh. At yesterday's value area high. Let's see what we do. This market is moving to be ahead of Trump. There's been heavy manipulation prior to Trump's latest. Okay, oh then that makes sense. That does make a lot of sense. So it did revisit that 50%, moved a little bit lower now. But is in line with yesterday's value area high. Let's see what we get. I really like that one. I was actually going to take it on the funded. Thank heavens I didn't. Mr. Pick's still trading proper. Well, I mean, Mr. Pick's, to be fair, I haven't been here in like 2 weeks, so nothing changed since you last saw me. It's apart from the fact that I'm adding some volume profiles to it. Apart from that fact, nothing much has changed. Still my little funded account. This one right now is paper because obviously I haven't been here in 2 weeks and I'm not used to how. I kind of want to say pre-market. It's pre-New York, I guess. I'm sitting out at the US market tomorrow. I mean, that's not a bad idea, especially if it's gonna be a bit cray-cray. What time is he talking tomorrow? I remember, well, obviously you just said, but I was like, you said he's talking tomorrow, but what time is he talking tomorrow? Sorry, I see the Wi-Fi had a little moment there. Hopefully it's fine now. Oh, guys, it gets cold. I say that. Watch, the temperature's actually probably not that bad. Shall we check what the temperature actually is? Watch it be something stupid. Are we ready for this? Harry! Current temperature at my location. See, okay, it's 9 degrees. It's 9 degrees here. That makes me feel better. It's 9 degrees right now. You get kidnapped. Had to fight your way out. Does it look like I had to fight my way out? Do I look like all sad? Ah, boom, it's so got offered a part-time job, so that's the afternoons, which is why unfortunately I can't really trade in New York Open anymore, which does kind of suck, don't get me wrong. That being said, potentially Fridays, but I know Fridays aren't always the best days to trade New York Open. Heard Trump speaking in Philadelphia. Trump will speak in the evening tomorrow after market close, but he always tips his hand on Truth Social before market open. So yes, he manipulates everything, which is absolutely insane, but whatever. Whatever is all I have to say about that. Come on. Wi-Fi, you were doing so well. Oh, it's getting colder. Why is it getting colder? Okay, still watching this. This looks like it's now going to start going up. What the heck? Okay, I'm going to have to figure out how Asia session moves. Like, to me now, this doesn't look bad, but... Okay, we're at the point of control. Technically, I think actually this one can extend right. Okay. Try it out. Buy limit, Lister plus, and TP is right at value area high if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's get rid of that because that was just too much information. Okay, let's see what this does. to be fair, it actually might tap in to the value area high and potentially go back down. That's what I'm kind of watching now. Aw, thanks, Old Lim. Enjoy. Thank you for joining. You're awesome. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. I might actually have to go get a jacket. Why does it feel like it's getting colder? Makes no sense. Okay, it's going up. Take a sell now. Feels silly. Went and took out that and that and that. Let's see, came there. All the way back down. Okay. I want to see how it reacts up at the top. Either it's going to continue going up or it might come back down. Let's see. Let's see what we end up getting. A little bit of a rejection off of it. Did react off of that point of control. Huh. Let's see, I was thinking, well, you have to kind of wait for confirmation. Sell there. Theoretically, this needs to move up to there now. Means buy limit moves there, TP moves further up, stop loss moves further below. Let's see if it is going to reject back down to there or not. Debbie, heck yeah! How's it going with you, Deb? How are your kids? How's Jay? How's everything? How's the trading going? Are you still just killing it? A woof. Don't. Why are you woofing? Okay. Perry's woofing. Okay, sorry, I'm really kind of focusing. I'm watching how it reacts off of this value area high. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, we're okay, we're good. 219. $819. Let's see, we still right as future. Thank you. Appreciate it. I want to say everyone's being so quiet, but I mean, who am I to speak? I was quiet for like 2 weeks. So I'll humbly just sit here and watch and figure out how the Asia market works. I know maybe this is not a very fair day, especially if tomorrow there's going to be some news and tweets and drama and chaos. I mean, that's why there was a flipping 80-point candle in the damn Asia session. That's wild. Well, I guess it's more like pre-market. Well, pre-4 London. Still just watching and waiting. Figuring this out. Give me a second. I'm gonna go get a jersey because it's a tad bit cold. Okay, sorry, I thought maybe the light's off now that the sun is up, but it did not work. It looked way too dark. Anyways, going great, thanks. I had a payout of hand here. I was funding on. He needs roughly 200 to get unfunded with the account. My friend is breaking away from his capital. What? That is amazing, Davey. What the heck, man? Is that just with TMP? No? I feel like I butchered that. Was it TMP? What's it called? Yeah, TMP. Yeah. So heavy rejection off of this. So this is what I'm looking at. So potentially actually sells here off of this value area high. Look how it literally tapped into it and is now going down. Let's see if it goes all the way down to the value area low now or not. Like what is it going to do? I'm leaving this up. Because like I said, I'm figuring out this is also on the paper account, so it makes no difference. Whatever happens, happens. Not here for too much longer, unfortunately. Sorry, guys. 8:23. Well, I say that I'm still here for another like 30 minutes. Y'all are stuck with me for 30 more minutes. That's okay. I do have a buy set up. I mean, there is a bit of an inverse fair value gap over here. Okay, let's just watch. Let's watch and see. Gotta get my head back in the game now. Not always a bad thing to take a little bit of a break, right? Go touch grass. Go figure things out, I guess. Let's see there. It's an entry. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it is above VWAP on ES on NQ. It is below VWAP on ES. Okay, let's see what this does here. Let's see if we get a rejection or not. If not, I do believe that it is definitely going down, but here we go. But this is why we figure things out. It's just, however, I do have a new system that lethal compared to teammates literally works without fail. Signal and it plays out every time. What? Maybe that's insane. Saying you've figured out the markets? I say that's a lie. No one can figure out the well, you can get close to figuring out the markets. I think that's the thing. I'll call some tracer if you want to go on then, Deb. Let's do it. Call some. I'm curious. Let's do this. You just say bye and I'll just go for it. How big must like the TP and the stop loss be? Because like I said, I'm genuinely curious. Nothing bad with figuring out the markets. I'm a little bit jelly. I say that haven't done anything for 2 weeks. Need to, like I said, I need to get my head back in the game. I'm going to I almost want to like study up again. Does that make sense? I don't know if that's maybe a bad idea. Like, am I going to confuse myself? Yeah, meh. It's not a good thing. It's not a bad thing to keep learning. It's just, we all know I have a tendency to overcomplicate things. That's the bad thing. Okay. There we go. Morning. Oh, Minimally, how are you? Stop loss ranges and TP set. Oh, set off with the stop loss. Okay, so how big is it normally, Deb? Like 1 to 3R or 1 to 2R? What's it? Minimally, how's the trading been going? How are you doing? How is everything? Ooh, it is kind of respecting this. It keeps retesting it. That's the only. Yep, there we go. I was like, that's the only problem. It wants to bounce, but the fact that it keeps retesting, I was waiting for it to fail. There's the little bit of a fail. Yeah, there's the fail. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so a sell off of the value area high would have worked like a dream to potentially the value area low. Just would have been where I would have put stop loss. This is just the thing I need to try and figure out now. No matter how hard you try, it's far too simple to overcomplicate, really. Can be up to 1 to 10, sometimes more, depends when you get into the trade. How long do the trades normally take though? Especially with a 1 to 10R. A good grief. 1 to 10R is insane work, Deb. Are you serious? But yes, minimally, how's the trading been going? Are you good? Sorry, can you see I'm in my comfy thing? Because it was, let's see if the weather has changed. It was 9 degrees just now. You know me, I was complaining about 21 degrees the other day. No, 24 degrees. So let's have a look, see? Refresh. Ah, okay, it is getting warmer. I feel like it's getting colder. It's now apparently 11 degrees. So 1 to 10 is roughly an hour or two. Okay, Debbie, next question. Sorry, so many questions. So much to catch up on. So not how long, just ask that. What sessions do you trade it on though? Is it more London and New York session? Or have you tried all sessions and it works with all sessions? I'm struggling. One of my funding accounts is close to being lost, but on the second one I'm break even. But last week Trump cooked me twice. I was in longs, he tweeted chart to stop loss and then to... That is insane, minimally. 1 to 10R is not hard with rejection blocks. See, I don't really use rejection blocks, so then it's hard for me. Rejection blocks, like I said, I've never figured them out. You know, either it works for you or it doesn't. I know OTT uses rejection blocks. He just says they don't appear that often. So I mean, you must have the patience of a saint to sit and wait for it. Wait for the perfect trade. How long do you normally wait for a trade, Silene? What is Pac-Man's favorite cooking utensil? Oh. Skeletor? That was amazing. What is Pac-Man's favorite cooking utensil? A wok, a wok, a wok. Okay, I missed you. That was awesome. That made me so happy, unnecessarily happy. But I think this is going down, guys. Oh, okay. As if to prove me wrong, it proceeds to start picking up. Okay, now on ES, it looks like it's going down now. Just saying. ES looks like it's pushing to the sell side. NQ isn't giving up without a bit of a fight though, so that's interesting, but let me go look at this. I wouldn't have even been close to tagging in on ES. Pity. Oh well. Literally 2 times in a row, but I saw other streamers and I wasn't alone in those trades. Oh, minimally. Ah, that's then fine then. That's the thing, when it's so volatile. Again, I'm going off of what you guys said. Obviously, I haven't been here in 2 weeks, so I'm assuming it's been insane work. I know Chill Dude said he's also been a little bit struggling, and that's fine. I took the 2 weeks. Now I need to just readjust my brain cells, get back into the trading motions, if you will. Maybe that sounds weird, but you know, you have to remind yourself about some things. Touch up on your rules, make sure that you are good to go, ready, steady, and yeah. All sessions but London Open recently has been the last few months now. Ew. Rejection blocks by every time, not gonna lie. Oh, and Debbie says rejection blocks fail a lot. I just hop on a New York, get seeker set up in 1 to 3 hours, and I'm done. So wait, Silu, do you literally then just enter when you see the wick? Is that what you do? Trump markets are so hard to trade. Your break was probably a very good idea. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I want to say, when does all the speaking stop? But I guess no one knows that answer. No one knows that answer. Unless, is it just like one of those months? Remember, was it March? March was just one of those months where there was just news after news after news, and obviously it was just chaos. March was a really hard month to trade. Has July kind of been like a March 2.0? You wanna come say hi? Come say hi. Come say hi. People have missed you. Every video, right? Not gonna lie, just fit back up. Water block. Yeah. Not just any wick, but some learned rejection blocks from. Oh, interesting. Okay. So maybe that's it. Maybe I missed. Like I said, Salu, I don't actually know that much when it comes to rejection blocks. Maybe I need to just go and do a little bit more research, in all honesty. And also trade. No, bet on NQ don't really work as well. Anything in trading, it'll work, just not every time. Hello. Guys, again, yeah, like Debbie, like you said, with trading, there is no such thing as 100%. Unless are you saying yours works every single time? But I use OTE too, it's a good tool. Here we go. Did say if it rejects off of this, it's going down. Which means this is a little bit seek and destroy. Okay, now let's then see if we can figure this out. How nice was this? Off of the valley area high to the valley area low. Huh. Interesting. It all comes in trading to mentally and risk management. Oh no, 100%. That's why my risk management today, because I haven't been here for 2 weeks, is trade on the paper account. I feel like that's valid. Haven't been here for 2 weeks, trade on the paper. Don't go and be dumb and start doing weird things. You know, refresh my brain cells to what I want, what I'm looking for. Also, I'm not really used to the Asia session, so need to figure all of this out again. It's almost like I'm starting from the beginning, which is not a bad thing. It's just different. It's just different. Da, 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 da. 35. Mine works every time. Not saying it's a time, but it's not. Has anything popped up yet, Deb? Any trades that have come about? Also, Siley, sorry. Hi. How you doing? How long have you been trading for? And sounds like you obviously trade rejection blocks. Oh, what's up, David G? How are you? How's it going? Yeah, for me too. I get 70% win rate with 1 to 4 RR minimum. Damn, that's really impressive. Okay. And you trade the NQ, and like I said, how long have you been trading for? For over 1.5 years. Okay, and what got you started? Like, what got you into this trading shenanigans, for lack of a better word? Was short 20 minutes ago, just wait for next signal. Trading in prop firms for like 3 months. Aww. David G, I missed you too, sorry. I know I was a little bit MIA, but I'm back now. Don't worry, I haven't taken any trades, which is a little bit sad. Guess took a little bit of a 2-week break, if you will. Was it 2 weeks? It was basically 2 weeks, eh? Yeah, took a little bit of a 2-week break, if you will. This was seeking a good way to earn money. That's valid. That's valid. I get that. And Sally, where are you from? I tried drop shipping, flipping iPhone, and ended up with trading. Who did you learn from? So it sounds like you did OTE, right? Augustine, what's up? How you doing? You're from Poland. That is so cool. Poland. Why did I say it like in Poland? I'm not even gonna tell you guys where my mind just went to, so I'm just gonna be quiet real fast. Okay. Value area high, all the way down to value area low. Took out that little bit over there. Let's see what happens next. Aw, thanks, David. Listen, to be fair, I'm cold. I'm used to like running around in the mornings now. This is like the first time I've sat and I'm like, oh, it's actually, it's a tad bit chilly. It's a tad bit chilly, not gonna lie. Mr. Pix, why not trade gold? Mr. Pix, I have tried to trade gold before. It feels... How do I explain this? For me, currently, I know it will change one day, but for me, trading gold feels like trying to speak foreign language that you kind of know, but not really. Like it feels different. Is Poland where Polaroid is from? I don't think so. Asking all the questions. I started learning with only knowledge of fair value gaps and trends, but later I tried to find a good strategy with good for my psychology. Okay. Then I found a pal on YouTube and learned from his leaked course on YouTube. And yeah, I sticked with that. Oh, that is awesome. His leaked course. Oh, good grief. Okay. that was interesting. But I mean, as long as it works for you, I think that's the only thing that matters. If it works for you, awesome. Laura, what's up? Have you moved? Laura, you still where you are? Did you move? I know you were going to move. Or did you stay put? And how's the singing been? We decided to go back to Canada. Nice. I guess it's summer there now. Hey, I was like, is it super cold? My mother-in-law is very angry and won't speak to us. Ah, well. Do you like her? If you do, then I'm sorry. If you don't, then sucks for her. Anyways. Yeah, and I was in this community learning from people in this Discord, and it really helped too. I will go and check it out, Salute. It sounds very, very interesting. Like I said, I don't know enough about it, so yeah. For example, have you seen anything today? Was there trade today? Just maybe it gives me an idea of what you look for. And by today, I mean obviously just this Asia session. You're back in your country, Honduras. Oh, nice. And is it good there, David? Heading back home. Too long in Europe. Need some. Yes. Didn't shake no today. I just woke up. Oh, nice. That's fair. What time? It's 8:40 a.m. for you. Do we have the same time? Yeah, we have the same time zone. I didn't know that. That's cool. It's 8:40 a.m. here too in South Africa. That is awesome. Yes, nice and warm. I'm cold, guys. Well, I'm complaining. It's probably like 13 or 14 degrees here right now. Let's see. It was 9 earlier. Then it was 11. Let's quickly see. Now it is 12. Okay. Aha. So not that much better. So I'm cold. I feel like 12 degrees is cold. Bless me. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, well, I said I'm pretty used to waking up early. It's just getting myself out of bed. Y'all are about to see me in my PJs a lot. Because screw that. I am dressed today but you guys are gonna see me in my PJs because, well. Let's see, 8:42. The other... Better not do it again. The other day a bird flew in here. How do I know? Because it crapped on the floor and I was like, seriously? 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 But I mean, I do leave everything open for Perry, so it makes sense, but really? I thought you were 2 hours ahead of GMT. No, no? It's... What do you mean? It's 8. I'm confused. Debbie? Now I'm confused. No, I am... I'm 8:43. Did something else change? If you decide to travel to Honduras, Central America, the weather is amazing here. I don't know if I'll ever go there. I might go Uruguay, just South America, because that's where my parents are at. But not gonna lie, I just took the 4-hour time frame and I wouldn't touch it. Yeah, no, this is going sideways, and sideways real well. Not so fast right now, but oopsies, my bad, I'm sorry. This candle right here was an 80-point candle. In Asia session, that's insane. For an Asia session, 80, how many points was it? Let's see, 80? 88, nearly a 90-point candle. 90! Wow. See, for Asia session, that feels hectic. Just putting it out there. Oh, I don't have a coin with me. I was about to say, should we do a coin toss? Trash price action for me at least. No, Sally, it's not great, but I'm gonna have to get used to the not so greats, if that makes sense. Like, I'm gonna see. Okay. I'm gonna see. I need to figure out how to make this work for me now. Like I said, I don't think I'll be able to do London and New York open anymore, which sucks. That being said, is London open soon. I have to leave when it's London open. I'll watch the first candle and see what it does. But unfortunately for me, I won't be able to do anything. Let's see. So it's retouching. I'm doing this out of curiosity. Let's take a buy here. Let's move stop loss to the bottom. And TP to point of control. Just above point of control. Maybe let's go a tiny bit further down. Give it some breathing room. This... yeah, it's kind of in the order block. Let's see, every single trade idea I've had today has not worked, so let's see, maybe last one is the charm. Let's see, maybe last one is the charm. Wait, do you know what I didn't do? I didn't check yesterday's. Okay. I wonder if we'll go to yesterday's point of control. I mean, yesterday's value area low is quite far down there. Forgot to check yesterday's. It's like me forgetting to zoom out on the flipping time frames. But, curiosity. Now, I'll send you a video of people from SA living in the UK. Admitting the UK heat is completely different to the SA heat. People from 100 strong equator saying it's hotter. Debbie, is it just because it's like a dry heat? Do you think that's why? Like it's dry. Like my sense of humor. No? Like why? Why is the heat different? I don't understand. Like I understand, but I don't understand. You know, it's like living down at the coast, the heat there was different because it was like it was the humidity. The humidity was a lot. I know it's different heat down there and up here. But the question is it just because of that? Like, is it just because of the humidity level? I don't understand why else. But who knows? Ooh, so there we go. It's the humidity that catches everyone off course. Oh, so you are very humid then? Is that what you're saying? Because I mean, like I said, the humidity at the coast was very different to up here. I mean, it was so bad at the coast that my horse stopped. Like, literally, his sweat glands were overexerted and stopped producing sweat. I didn't know that was a damn thing, but anyways. I think UK cities don't have trees. I mean, that's valid. So there's no natural shade, and nothing beats natural shade. Nothing beats natural shade. So that I mean, Mr. Pix, that does kind of make sense. It does kind of make sense. Sorry, I am in this trade. That's why I'm kind of just, well, on the paper account, but still. And it's me figuring out. So I basically took this. Would have been better taking it right off of the value area low, right there. And I've made TP above the point of control. Maybe this is a tad bit on the greedy side of life. It looks like a solid, what, 1 to 2 R, maybe 2.5 R. Let's see if. Oh yeah, 2 R. Yep, noise. Yeah, so that's a 2 R trade. So the houses are built to keep heat in. Britain was built for the cold, not the heat. Shade and help when you can't cool down. And that is why I prefer the cold. I know I complain about the cold. And some people are like, I hate the cold, I want it to be hot again. Which I understand. Because again, it's not like I'm a fan of the cold. I don't like feeling cold. But when it comes to cold, you can do something about it. You can put more layers on. Have like 30 blankets on you. You will get warm. However, when it is hot, what are you supposed to do? Like, I know here in South Africa, sometimes it's so hot that even the pools become hot. So it's not even, sorry, it's not even like you can jump into a pool to cool down because the pool is literally hot. So that helps you, a netty swore. That doesn't help you at all. Unless you have an aircon, it doesn't help. Like even having a fan, it just swooshes around hot air. Doesn't help. So that is why I know I complain about the cold, but I prefer cold weather over hot weather. You can go for a run in cold weather and warm yourself up. You know, you can do things to just make, you know, to make it better. In the heat, there is nothing you can do. If you move more, you make it worse. So what are you supposed to do? Okay, when this reaches VWAP, I will move, maybe not break even, but maybe mitigate risk by half. Maybe break even, especially because that might be a rejection zone. It's going back. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we even get there. Let me not like get overly excited right now. Whoop. Sorry, I've been going on a bit of a rant. Cool. $251. I mean, it's not like the worst. Let's see what this does. Let's see how this reacts here. Not the best, not the worst, because this is... No, never mind. I was gonna say, we are clearly on a bit of a bearish move, but nope, we are still going sideways. UK cities do not have trees. Do have trees, just not many like most built-up city areas. Yeah, which is valid. I mean, guys, you'll be so jealous. I'll have to show you where I'm living right now. You'll be so jealous. Just saying. OTT! And where did you get your levels on OTE? What do you mean? Oh, no. So I use my GAN box. Are you talking about this one? This? Yeah, this is my GAN box. Right, Silo, is that what you're asking? OTT, how you doing? How you doing, Ash? Where I live, it's more countryside than city life. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that actually made me wake up early. I actually jumped out of bed. That is hilarious. Were you like, I gotta go? I'm good. I did send you did pop you a message. There we go. I'm not even around for that much longer, OTT, but that's okay. I'm glad that you... I was like... And you know what's hilarious? OTT, I was looking and I was like, oh, it's too early. You're not going to be here. It's too early. You're probably still in bed. But that's okay. Like I said, for those of you on Discord, I do apologize. I literally... for some reason, I wasn't getting notifications. I'm sorry. I wasn't ignoring people. I literally wasn't getting notifications. I didn't even know you guys were looking for me. I was like, you guys are... I'm so sorry. I nearly forgot how to spell banana. Very fine. We were straight up ignored. Now, why have I come on early? Oh, devs. Because live now, I might have to be streaming different and weird hours and trading weird and wonderful hours because I'm now working the afternoons. So I can't do New York Open, which does kind of suck. Don't get me wrong, it does kind of suck. But I'm working the afternoons. I might be able to do... I don't want to make promises. I might be able to do Friday New York Opens. But again, I do not want to make any promises with regards to that. And I'm training some people want lessons. I'm riding some people's horses. I'm just running around like a headless chicken. So I was like, oh, but I need to get my trades in. I don't want to stop trading. I definitely don't want to stop trading. So that means I just have to adjust my trading times. Hey, check at this. But no, actually would have worked really well. Interesting. Okay, I must just do that like 1,000 more times and get more confirmation. Okay. That was a really good jump up. That would have been an awesome winning trade. Check him right down to the 0.5 level. And then back up. Okay. It is in a bit of a constant. Let's see. I mean, that would have been a whoop whoop, which is awesome. I think if when it taps VWAP, I'm gonna go... Oh. Maybe not break even. Let's move to... Actually, let's just follow all the lows. Let's follow all the lows. So, what's that? I'm not gonna cry over $3, but it does give a little bit of breathing room. I thought you had enough of the random talks. We haven't. Did you think you need a break from us rather than trading? Never, guys. I missed the random chats. I was like, I really missed you guys. I need to find a way to pop back on. Yeah. I would have thought you were forced. Because you left him in German for so long before you moved. When you finally saw him, you got mad. No, he is cute as heck. OTT. Yeah, adjusting times and keeping trading. Trading will pay out eventually. Exactly, Mr. Pick. So, you know, I must just adjust. I think that's just it. It's going to be a bit of an adjustment period, so it's going to be a little bit like intermittent, but I'm still here. Maybe even no guarantees again, guys, but maybe even like some weekend Discord sessions, or even maybe even live, who knows, just doing back testing, just watching some more training videos. I really, like I said, I'm not giving up on this. I refuse. I'm really stubborn, so I refuse, because yeah, I have this part-time job. Capital, you need capital to keep going, right? It takes that pressure off. But I don't want to be working for people forever. So it would be nice to have this. I mean, summer trading is horrible. July and August isn't ideal. Yeah. I mean, in the summer it would be amazing because it's lighter earlier and lighter later. So I would be able, like, the problem is I get home at a reasonable hour, but it's dark, and then I want to lie in bed. It's the same with waking up. I wake up and it's dark, and I'm like, nah, I'm not moving because it's dark. Honestly speaking, trading whenever you have time. All the sessions good. London, Asia, pre-market. Well, for you, OTT, how's the trading been, OTT? You're still on like this redonkulous winning streak. I can't believe I'm asking you this. Maybe I hope I didn't jinx you, but yes. How's it been going? Oh, I just felt unfortunately like an absolute chop. Whoa. If you need to backtest, you should focus on MT5. Expect advisor developing. It's easy now because of AI coding. Okay. What about FX? Is it? Yeah, it's FX. Is that decent? I've heard it's okay. Your thoughts, Mr. Pix? There'd be a little too off. 40-day win streak. OTT, maybe. It's the fact of me and you need to show me your ways, Obi-Wan. OT1. Okay. Aw.
Hi there. It's currently 9 o'clock, with a current temperature of 13 degrees Celsius. Today's low is 8 degrees, and the high is 23 degrees. Today's weather shows clear skies. Have a great day.
How funny is my alarm? Aw. Okay. Break even, not bad. Went tapped into VWAP and then went back down. I won't lie, trades a little new update. Insane with the back testing. What about yours, OTT? 40-day win streak, damn. What strategy are you trading? 40 degrees Celsius. No. 14 degrees? You see, it doesn't sound... No, it really doesn't. I was dying. Weird, in Poland it was 42. I'm gonna try an expert advisor and Python script, but to backtest strategies and optimize. Interesting, Mr. Bix. Okay, unfortunately, on that note... Wow. Okay. Wait a second. Wanted to see something. So from the tippy top... Wow. Okay. Okay. Nothing for me would have looked great looking at this. Volume profile, but with a lot of different ICT entries. Uniform model, OT, support and resistance in the right hands is profitable, so yeah. You can slide in. Go to work, get bread to full port. I love it. Okay. I will then be back on Discord. I'm so sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Okay. But I love you guys madly. I am very happy to be back. Maybe not tonight, but maybe tomorrow. Maybe it's a stupid idea because I know Trump is speaking tomorrow, but maybe tomorrow afternoon. Or maybe tomorrow very early. I have to be somewhere at 9, but maybe I hop on very early. We get some more Asia session going. Even if it's for 30 minutes. I think anywhere, anytime, it might just be completely random. So maybe just set your alerts because I'll hop on randomly. I'll wake up and be like, yeah, let's do some trading. Okay. Or do you know what? Maybe I'll tag everyone in Discord. I'll be like, everyone hopping on in 15 minutes. See you there. Yeah, how about that? Maybe we just do that. But I really do love you guys madly. I've missed you so much. Let's do this. OTT, I'm low-key serious about doing a bit of like a training day with you. I know you send me the videos. I'm gonna watch those videos and then maybe after that. Okay. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Let me know how it goes. Yeah, this is chaos for me, but I'll get used to it. I'll get there. Okay. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy that you all are good. I'm so happy to be back. I am alive. Okay. I love you guys.